Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display or show video in circle format in Vyond Editor. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display video in circle format. On left side you see props. So click on it and then you see multiple props. So right here insert props circle. Now you see multiple layout. Now you see props 114. So we are going to use this shape circle. Now click on it. Now edit. So you can increase size. Now you see, and then now you see shadow here. If you want you can use plain circle, so it's up to you. And then we are going to add video on scene. Now you see upload, so click on it. Now you see video, so click on it. Now you see we edit video. Now we are going to decrease size. Now you see, and then select both. Now first select video and then press shift and then select circle shape, again select. Now we select both using shift button and then right click on it. Now you see mask, so click on it. So we apply a mask. Now click on it, double click and then you see video. Now select video and then change position like this and then reduce size. Now again drag and drop like this. So you can set position according to requirement. So you can set alignment also. Now you see, and then after this video will play in circle format. Now click on preview. If you want you can increase size like this, because both circle and video is masked linked together. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.